Hey everyone, this is the Thursday weekly update. Today is October 10th. This is a series that'll show you things you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio, mainly opening boxes, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.